Hey everybody, boy, I'm excited about this. Yvonne, lady with the hammer. I had a customer come in and pick up a large dining table. It had a big drop leaf. It was square. She said that she had one that needed to be repaired that was an oval. Obviously you can see this is one of the out legs, which goes this way. And it belongs under here. And I need to make a support here. Let me show you close up of the problems. Okay, you can see the leg here. Let me move this real quick. This down here is missing. I'll show you on this side. This is the piece that's missing on the other side that I will have to make. And this is the leg that I have that it is broken off from the other side. Now you can see the table on the top has quite a bit of wear. And the sides, of course, because they've been down for a long time, have a nice color to them. So besides repairing the leg and the piece that needs to be built over here, we're going to take care of the top too. I'm going to turn this over, detach the top. I'm going to see if I can get this joint a little closer together. As you can see, it's got quite a bit of separation. And we're going to see if we can get this old girl back into shape. All right, so we see how this goes. Let's see, this goes here. There we go. There. Out to here, and this is the piece we need to make. I'm going to take these off. These are horrible for your floor. If you have any kind of wood floor or hardwood floor or vinyl, anything, even carpet, these will rust your carpet. I'm going to put new feet on it. I'm just going to do a check of the table to see the condition it's in. This is coming off. Let's see, how is this screwed on here? That needs to be re-glued. Oh yeah, the whole thing is. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to mark the inside of the table, and we're going to mark the inside of these. So I make sure when I put it back on, it's going to go on the proper way. That way there we can possibly get this seam taken care of. And I bet you any money this table will fall right apart when I take this off. Actually, these are all loose too. Yeah. Well, the good thing is taking this off from that, I can just make measurements and I can do this. I can make this right away and put it back together. Okay, let me figure this out. I want to take some measurements of this. 32 inch and 7/8, and it's 1 inch. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to run to the store, get a piece of this. I want to make this up first before I take this apart, so then I can put all the puzzle pieces back together as they go. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. There we go. Every single inch of her is loose. So this one seems to be okay. That joint seems to be okay. I'm going to turn this over. These ones are definitely all loose. These are put in here. Somebody else did that. We don't need these. Those are a hindrance. We'll repair this properly. You don't need those. Yeah, see, somebody tried to glue this. Look at that. Comes right apart. That one too. Excellent. I mean, I got to get the glue all off there. This one was glued too. I don't know if you guys can see that. See all that? All this stuff right here. This is all old glue that has to be scraped off. All right, that's enough scraping for now. Let's see if this table comes apart. I want to save these screws because I want to use something the same length, but I want to use a new screw so we don't have any problems. Let's see if this comes apart. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm going to scrape this all out and then we'll re-glue that. All right, let's go to Home Depot. See if we can find ourselves a piece of wood. This has been reattached. Yeah, okay. Woo! I went and got the wood and piece of oak. Well, it's obviously hard to cut, and I don't have a table saw, so I had to rip it down with the with the jigsaw. Anyways, I'll put a picture in here and show you how much I got done so far. Woo! Take a deep breath. All right. There was no possible way I could glue that up on camera. I had to take it apart really quick and cut down a couple of the dowels while you're trying to not let the glue set up. Let me turn it around and show you what's happening. Whew. All right, so these joints were apart. These joints were apart. Those joints were apart. And that one I had to make a new one. So basically they were all apart. This is the only one that I got to keep in there because I taped it to hold it up. But there's a peg up here and there's a peg down here. So you got to put these together holding the peg while you're trying to get the stuff in there. See, you can see the peg there. So this one's pegged at the top and at the bottom in the new wood. And obviously you can't lift it up and down and have it fall out. So I got that new piece made down there, like I showed you guys. I got the table glued back together. All right, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm not even gonna breathe next to it. Okay, I'll technically see you guys in a few minutes tomorrow. I'm gonna have to do a voiceover possibly. I think I'll just let you hang out and watch while I'm trying to do the rest of the repairs on this table. It's too much to talk and do all that stuff at once. So here you go. Yes. Hallelujah. Excellent. 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 Okay. To get 0, 0 on that side. See if you guys can see that. Ta-da! All right, this beautiful table is still drying, but I'm really happy. There was a big ring mark here. You saw all the things. A lot of staining. This is still drying over here. Whew, she looks good. Let's see. Back it up. All right, here's the first coat of stain. And I like the colors coming right along. I have to stain it with the sides down so I can get in here. But I think it's coming out absolutely beautiful. And the legs are a little darker. So I'm either going to stain it again to try to bring this up, or I might use a darker stain. I'll see tomorrow. Anyways, this is how it's coming out. I'm very happy with it. She's still a little wet. This is the third coat. She's looking great. Well, as you can see, I'm in my house now. And the table came out beautiful. I'm very happy. My customer, shout out to you, Sally. She loved it. And here's a beautiful picture of the table when it's done. Stick around if you guys want to see more furniture restoration. This is the stuff I love to do. Have a blessed day, and I love you all.